Hi, my name is Subita Anapampa Suresh. My registration number 11DK20F1037.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Rasmi Shamimi binti Amiruddin Zaki and my metric number is 11DKA20F1040.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name Ainul Amira binti Zakaria. My metric number is 11DK20F1034. This is a Gantt chart for schedule of IBS project. From the left is list of activities such as production, foundation, erection, finishing, mechanical and electrical, infrastructure, testing and commissioning, and handing over. Okay, for the right side is duration. Okay, based on this Gantt chart, we use 4 months for production activities, 2 months for foundation, 4 months for erection, 4 months for finishing, and 6 months for mechanical and electrical. And infrastructure we use 4 months, and testing and commissioning we use 1 month, and handing over we use 1 month. And overall completion period we use 10 months for 10 units of IBS housing projects at iMolek Melaka.
For method of use, which is implementation of IBS usage, we use lightweight concrete block work, secondly precast wall, and then a precast concrete and lightweight roofing for this project. For machinery usage, among the duties of machinery, the mechanic is keeping industrial machinery fully operational by performing necessary maintenance. And next, large-scale production of goods owing to the power of machine to multiply product. Then, low cost of production and consequent low price of standardized goods manufacturing with the help of machine, and considerable increase in the skill and productivity of laborers. And and lastly, increase of intelligence and alertness of laborers owing to constant working with machines. Usage, laborers' jobs are predominantly found in the building and construction industry. They use a range of hand and power tools in their duties and are also expected to operate and clean heavy machinery. And then setting up the construction site, including cleaning and removing any debris or hazard. Moreover, moving and preparing the material to be used on the project, and building or moving a variety of structure such as scaffolding, bridge or barricade, and others. And lastly, preparing the earth for building such as creating dredges, filling holes, or compressing the soil.
So in this slide, we're going to see the design plan B. So design plan B, which is we're going to build at iMolek. So the design will be one-story house, 2 bedroom and 1 bathroom. From the design, we're going to do project detail, which is construction of one-story house with the following design. So detailed design for plan B, which is one-story house, 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom. So the size of the house, which is 20 times 30. The area of the house is 600. So after we see the design of plan B, so in this slide we're going to see the cost of building material and time period. So detailed design plan B, which is we know that one-story house, 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom. So construction period we take is 25 days. So in 25 days we're going to build 10 units, so we take 250 days. And the cost material for this building is RM23870.50 cent. So in this slide, we're going to see detailed cost project for design plan B. So first of all, the item is cost building material, which is stand for IBS component plus general hardware, which is the cost is RM23870.50 cent. So transportation, next is transportation uploading, which is take cost RM2700. Next, manpower. So in this building, we take 2 expert workers for 25 days times RM100. So the total of the cost is RM5000. Next, we also take 5 workers in 25 days for RM20. So the total cost we take is RM 2,500. So the homestay for the workers which is take RM 500. Next, we're going to see the machine rental, which is we take 5 rental machine. First of all, is concrete mixer which is for 1 month. Then scaffolding for 6 set for RM40. Bar blender, backhoe, rental materials. So these are the materials we take. So there is a cost for concrete mixer which is RM 500. Scaffolding set for 6 set which is RM 240. Bar bender which is 300, backhoe which is RM60, is RM600, rental materials is RM1500. Next, we're going to see the management cost. So the management cost we take is RM2000, by contingency which is we take RM1000. So we total up the cost of the design plan B. So we get RM40701.50 cent.
This is a direct and indirect item cost. Firstly, for the direct item is cost building material. This is a item of IBS component plus general hardware. The cost is 23,870 and 50 cent. Secondly is transportation and unloading. The cost is 2,700. For this project, we use 2 expert worker and the cost is 5,000 ringgit. And for the workers, we use 5 workers and the cost is 2,500 ringgit. And the accommodation is 500. For the indirect item, firstly is machine rental such as concrete mixer, scaffolding, bar bender, backhoe, and rental material. For the concrete mixer, we use 1 month. The cost is 500. Scaffolding, we use 6 set. The cost is 240 ringgit. The bar bender cost is 300. And backhoe is 600. And the rental materials is 1,500 ringgit. The secondly, for the indirect item is management cost is 2,000 ringgit. And the last contingency, the cost is 1,000 ringgit. The total for the direct and indirect item is 40,710 ringgit.
In conclusion, final total cost for design plan B is RM 43,210.50 cent. And building construction is the process of adding structure to real property. Often, the owner of the property act as labourers, paymaster, and design team for the entire project. And in mid-December, we are a group of 3 people were assigned to submit a planning proposal for 10 IBS housing units built in Air Molek, Melaka. This task has given us extensive knowledge to execute the work program well. Next, we learn about the implementation method of IBS usage with machinery and labor usage. Moreover, we were able to determine the cost of causing details using table and S-curves. In addition, we were able to learn how to plan development construction properly with my group. Finally, we were able to complete our assignment as well.